Kasorkar Meghalaya kala penbena bahkan Don Shu ke Jingtohkit Kaba Hakhlieh du Halor ke Jingiap ya ke Medyap ke Balapuut Jong Nongialam ke Awami League u Ishak Ali Khan. Usembut Menteri Rangba ke Jela iba Preston Tensong ila penpau bala pentip syaka Bangladeshi High Commission bat ke Ministry of External Affairs ba la itu ya ke Medyap. Kadau jong ke Jingiap ansatip hadin ke tes jong ke forensik bat ya ke Medyap lalap ha ke 800 tarik unailar. Iwei 0.1 kilometer hapok ke Kaput jong ke India Bangladesh ke Badon Haiz Jingtiap Hills District.
Right now, we still, we are really confused because the information we received from the BSF, they said that in fact, there was no question of attempting entering India. That is number one. And then ultimately, I think because from the BTR side, from the Bangladesh side, they claim that the leader of what they call
Awami
League, he was trying to escape to India, and then he was on the way. But BSF they verified it and they said it was not like that. But ultimately, after 2 or 3 days, yes, his dead body was found inside. I think 1.2, 1.3 kilometers inside the Indian territory.